Bonchari, we need to stand up. Bonchari, we need to what na batebeti ba bantu ngaki bwato goto tori borayobia one nechinse ato bwate goto. So what do we need to do? We need to rethink our position. Where do we go next? Next. Because Toko can drag 2 years down the line, I think we do not have any hope. Hope starts secretary Chakrigo Karanza, Abarayvon Sibachamo, Karanse, the political differences, Chira agenda and Semo. Then we see Mwananchi, how does it end? That is what county politics. County politics is the Rojirende Chisekaro. But as a Chakirete, as Chakwera, Yantebe, it is not good for business. These fights, business, business as usual, pay your one. All these politicians, let them take a step back once and rethink that violence and fights and coups are not necessary right now. Right now, development is much more necessary. A lot of money. At least there was chidom to increase dining. Classes na other facilities. This school na yabonko ba promise lero it will. Last time to achita na to encourage students and demoroshin na perform yabono, it has become a very attractive school. Nero to chetorore wasinga kiocho. Another issue when Bonchari born to a lot of issues still pending. Which are can a campaign. One of the things to Arengo Tevia Bantomo, no mono, to Arengo Tevia Mantonga key. Get a Carosibu, get a Quebec and then get a Quebec International. For the purpose of what tourism na business. It's a kama chaka. Come on all sides. Confirmed to make a expanded. In fact, right now again, to address this promise to Itaba. The alternative airport to attract the housing. Housing is affordable. Places which town area and all that. Benefit because we have lost. If the government is taking with one hand, by Toraneri with another hand. Hey, at least rende Torregen but then a campaign like to a target. To a Tebetia Bantomangana a bottoms up. Karabonega, Amantumba Chandiga. People are suffering. She benefits you and go to Arengo Tevia and Tomna bottoms up, which I go to Aratori Chichira and to Besam Fukoni, Mintumne Bibionzi, Boda Boda, Bagandero. They are still in the same position or worse. When you check Arengo Chagaiga, Bongora Sokaki, Mamma Butua Rosetia, Arengo Tevia and to Bonjari. We need to start convincing them again. I expect a representative next. That is one of the things I want to address. Mangane airport, Mangane gasi, Mangana taxes, affordable housing, those are things to Baneta Konyora. Bonchari, what the problems apart from now, one day school. Yangogincha yete dom. Until now, I don't mean China for us. Abana Badibarenko is poor, some of them are sleeping 3 or 4 of them in a bed. Abana Bakorara on the floor. Chimatris into our Bonchari.